What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how to refresh your twist out. So I am just getting up and getting myself ready for the day. My hair is completely matted from being slept on all night, and the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of pull it and shape it and fluff it and kind of get it into a position where I can stretch it a little bit and get the most out of it. I find that pulling my hair back into a ponytail really helps to kind of stretch it out and to just elongate my curls. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to hold that for a minute or two. Once I feel like it's pretty well stretched, then I'm going to go in with a pick and kind of just lift my roots until I get the volume and shape that I'm looking for. The goal here is to do the most work at the roots, and that way you don't disturb your curls too much and you don't create more frizz than you need to. You don't want a whole bunch of frizz, or at least I don't. I do want to bring back the volume, but I don't want to do anything that'll mess up the definition that I worked so hard to create. So once I have it into a shape that I'm pretty happy with, I'm going to take down my bun so I can work on my edges. And to do my edges, I'm going to be using the First Touchdown Edge Tamer. I really like this edge control. It really does a good job of holding my edges in place. So I'm just going to apply it generously around my hairline and then use my edge brush to work on styling my edges and getting them the way I want them to look. Y'all already know what it is. I'm just going to twist my hair up and put it right back into my top knot and pin it down until I'm satisfied with the way that it looks. And then I'm going to finish laying my edges and tie my hair down with a scarf. After about 10 minutes, I'm going to take that scarf off and then just continue to fluff my hair until I'm completely satisfied with how it turned out. And this is the final look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you feel like you want to subscribe, click my face on the left. If you feel like you want to watch my next video, click the picture on the right, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!